In this video, without wasting your time, I will show you how to use the Kraken exchange. I'll show you how to deposit both cash and crypto, as well as how to withdraw it, then how you can buy and sell and overall trade crypto, how you can do staking and everything else that you must know. So first, just go and create a Kraken account, whether you want to do that on the app or website. And once you have done that, just go to deposit. So you will find a deposit button right here. If you're using the mobile app, click transfer and then deposit. But from deposit, just go and deposit some cash from your bank account or some crypto from another wallet. Now, once you have some money in your account, what you can then do is go to explore in the left menu. Now from here, just find the crypto or X stock that you want to go and purchase. Now, for example, I'll just go to trending right here. So the highest trading volume in the last 24 hours, I'll just use Bitcoin right here. So then to purchase Bitcoin in the right, you will have this section. Now what you can do is just enter how much you want to buy. So here you can see how much you have available. I'll just do 20 euros. Then you can see the price, the fee. From there, click confirm. And after you click confirm, it will then purchase, in this case, Bitcoin. So then it says you bought 20 euros of Bitcoin. Now, if you head over into your portfolio in the left menu and scroll down, you can see that now I have some Bitcoin. Now I already had about 60 euros, so now it's 82. Now, if you then want to sell a cryptocurrency from your portfolio, you can just click sell. Then here select the coin that you want to sell. For example, I'll do XRP. And then here you can set a percentage. You can set a euro amount, or you can set a certain amount of the cryptocurrency. I'll just click max to set it all and click confirm. And now I've sold this amount of XRP. Then there's one more thing you can do for trading, which is to convert it. So if you click convert, you can select the cryptocurrency here. So I'll do Solana to Bitcoin. And then again, I'll say max. So then it will convert all of my Solana to Bitcoin and click confirm. Now I've converted Solana to Bitcoin. Now what you can also do is, instead of a buy now order, you can set a recurring order, for example, investing every single week, or you can do a custom order when you buy when a price target is reached. For example, when it goes down 10%, I want to buy it. So you can set a custom order like that right here. Now overall, this is the normal Kraken exchange, which is extremely simple to use. For example, if you go to earn, you can click allocate to earn, and then here you can select what you want to earn on. So for me, I only have Bitcoin. And then here I can do, for example, allocate 25% of my Bitcoin, and then I'll get 0.15% APR. And this is kind of staking, but the unbundling period is 30 days. So here you can review it and confirm it, and then you will be staking. Under auto earn, you can also see your lifetime rewards, your 30-day rewards, and your next payout. But if you want to get some more advanced trading going on, then you want to click on the 9 dots right here and switch to Kraken Pro. So here you can set take profits, stop losses, you can do margin trading. If you're a beginner and you just want to invest in crypto, then I wouldn't really touch this. But if you are looking for some of those more advanced features, then you will find them right here. So you can go to trade, then they have spot, they have margin, futures, and they also have forex here. But for example, if I go to buy and set it to Solana Euro, I can set a market order, limit, stop loss limit, take profit, and more. Then here you can also set up your take profit and stop loss. You have simple ones, but even also advanced ones. So here you can set the take profit price and the stop loss price. And here you can set the percentage of your portfolio you want to invest. And you can also toggle on margin if you want, but be careful with this because that does make your investment a lot more volatile. So that's essentially how to trade on Kraken. Now just switching back to the normal Kraken exchange right here. In order to withdraw money, just go to portfolio and then click withdraw. If you're using mobile, click transfer and then withdraw. And from there you can either withdraw cash or you can withdraw crypto. To withdraw crypto, just select the network and then the withdrawal address you want to withdraw to, or add a new one. But for example, I'll just withdraw some euro right here and I'll do it to a bank account. So from here you can select to which bank account or change it to a new one. I'll just do it to this one, which is Revolut. And then let's say I want to do 20 euros, then I can click review, confirm, and the fee here is 1 euro. So now this money will be transferred to, in this case, my Revolut bank account. Withdrawal initiated, expect funds to arrive shortly. So that's really all you need to know to start trading on Kraken. There are some other things that I didn't go over here. For example, you can also trade stocks, or at least cryptocurrencies that track the price of stocks. And that is something that they introduced recently, which is pretty cool. But now you know how to use the Kraken exchange. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.